May I come go up now?
Right.
Yeah, may check everything already, make sure the shop lock up and so forth. So
I'm not thinking you just have to stay, man.
why did I think that? You know come back. May I have work morning?
Where things start, what?
Yeah. Them call a meeting and they make them decision and then decide to keep me, but they want me and also I'll put me on different locations. So me and I won't in any more altercation.
Demotion. And you still there, sir? Your 5S, especially with all them government people, you can't make them go and let them want to take advantage of you, you know. But me can just come and run the shop full time, bad man.
You come back with a bad man somebody again. Give no me not like that.
Yeah, but you like my charge, you know. You see me?
Me no you charge you. Me your ex
Yo, you're confused, man.
Me your business partner. Come your business partner. Come and charge you.
Alright, business partner. You know, so me never forward for stay though. Get a little work in our country. It a provide, you see me? It a put in food in our table. And if we're a business partner, I have to contribute to the business.
So what going off the shop? Cause me have work.
So you know, introduce me to new employee. You just go and run off the thing, man. Oversee it.
Winston, you know the work with me do. You know say take me out of town too. So I'm for to leave her here by herself?
They just left the key one place, man. She not have to come in my personal space.
And when she want to use the bathroom, where she go?
5. Just lock my room door and make sure you use the bathroom.
Alright.
We are business partners. You know me I say, and as a business partner, me I show like a concern. You understand me I say? Kinda late in 5. Me hold the couch. You see me?
Winston, I know you're concerned and everything, but I could keep it one business. Cause it's the personal side of it. We'll stay with the personal side.
Well, you move so tough, you know. And early I'm forward, you run out of the shop and come jump on me and them thing.
That was just reflex. You want the natural side of me way. I'm happy to see you. We've been together long enough, so certain things just come naturally.
Alright, business partner.
5. You can just stay at 5.
You know your friend Auntie from the other day?
No, you know. She not come around and she not ask me I say nothing about you. So maybe she forget about it. Or not.
You realize the seriousness of the situation, Winston? Auntie and nephew in a shootout? One of we could have in the morgue.
Auntie, you think more than once you out there and even involve myself in something like that?
But you never did fit Dede. How it reached this, Winston?
Auntie, I know what it for go on, you know. I don't want to out there the wrongs. But I try to put myself on the straight and the narrow right now. You understand me I say? And this is just something with the dead what I could do to put myself in one place.
You can't depend on the straight and narrow and on the crooked things, Winston. You realize the position where you put me in? Me used to in the force. I have a nephew with a bad man. And me not carry you in. You know what that do to me, Winston? You know what kind of position that put me in? To the point where you all are involved. 5? Me, Bubbles? How me get involved?
You know me come go over my ear.
5.
Because
Me know say you da hide Winston when me come at your house.
me, Bubbles, when you come to my house, you did see Winston?
5. The red and black shorts with the 5 on it. Where you buy for him? You take it back from him? Cause he never hide under the pillow properly. And the room I'm going now, with the whole heap of sneakers them, I see him shadow. And fame sneakers. So me not stupid.
But me never na hide him.
5.
You know what I should do in the middle of this? I should do in the middle of this. Me I come go up.
Winston, I warn you for the last time. Trod the straight and narrow. You know the only reason why me not make you get locked up already are because of that little girl there. You see, when somebody love you and protect you like how she protect you, don't lose it. You hear me? Don't lose it. As a matter of fact, don't lose her. I last one in that.